How are you doing going up the wrong side of the road?
Series before the Yankees come home to take on the Tigers.
Really? And you cut off that red truck too. Well, you're a fucking idiot.
Is now 4 games on.
No stop.
Watching it while we were doing our Monday show from Houston. And I still remember walking into those offices and Kenny
No
Smith,
stop.
of all people, and then it was Kenny Smith who helped.
The world as we know it, whether that is this unfinished tower that those losers over there.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
The way to go. If you're ultralights and if you're trying to save money, I mean, it's just perfect. It's just so perfect that I had to throw that in there. Like
nope.
if you've been sleeping on the frog top
After the AT, I started thinking, I'm getting tired of patching these things. They're not the most durable, right? I mean, they are expensive, so replacing
there's a car there. Really?
But I was getting tired of patching them, and because I'm that kind of person who just keeps trying to.
The legendary voice calling the game. I'm just having a great time listening. I used to read some.
Oh shit! You lost a pipe. You lost a pipe.
They give a poop about your pipes.
Really?
She wanted it more forward, and you want to be like, dude, you just chipped out of a bunker into somebody's fucking pool. Like, what? Why am I listening to you?
You can't critique the show term this kind of thing, and you can't tell me you know for sure that nobody.
Wait, what the hell are you doing?
I don't know that.
No, eventually they're gonna.
We won't know that in 2024. Sorry.
Is that a legal U-turn up there as well? Yeah, you don't look authorized to do that, and there was cars coming too.
Like E-Pro too, down the line. A lot of people knocking. I'm very surprised. Kid's a good player.
Oh look, yeah, another legal U-turn. Like 31 was filled with cars. You're not going to save any time by going in the wrong direction.
They got Brunson off, check. They got some trenches and baskets, check. They got to the foul line, check. They made their threes, check. They got
don't turn on red up there.
Check. What they're not doing is worthless in this series. He's got one basket in 3 games. Now they're going to go to Payne. Payne is not afraid to score.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Did they just pull that out of the ether? No. Silicon sits below carbon on the periodic table, directly below.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Wait, what the hell are people doing up there while I'm singing? Weird. Whoa, what are you doing? You diving for that left turn lane, Screwborough.
Good game. He scored 16 points. He didn't hit 3, but he made baskets. He got inside. He had 14 rebounds.
Wait, where did he come from?
And he actually guarded it sometimes.
I think it was red light run.
Hard.
Was overlooked a little bit because it's that old moniker of
no turn on red.
Crosby, anybody can do that, which is a real game, and so they're really comfortable playing on the road. I mean, you see that. I think that the first round series has the most
kind of evaluate what they are using this gear for versus what you're going to use it for. So if they're
just blew right through there.
Like maybe they're hiking
5. Nobody cared about Jaws. The public had moved on, and
red light run, red light run, red light run. Yeah, send Jaws after him.
To see and hear exactly what's going on, word for word.
No, stop.
This bullshit where we have to read stories, listen to fucking podcasts, or do they become a larger brown dwarf, or would they just
red light run, red light run, red light run. And by the way, I'm talking about the car that went straight, not the cars turning left.
You can okay. Oh yeah. My interest in the universe was birthed when I turned 90. Okay. All right.
Wait, was that a straight from left turn lane? I think it was.
No, you want to get out of
yoga session if you happen to like go the rest of your day doing other stuff in the same yoga pants. Well,
Hey.
and so it's, if
Really?
your athletic activity is shopping, at, you know, at the grocery store.
View on television ads across America, showing cowboys atop bucking horses, drivers charging.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. No stop. Right turn regret. Yeah, you're from Rhode Island. This one sneaks up on you. Oh well, you're going to video. Sucks to be you.
We have board members of Citizens of the Onondaga Nation that are sit on our board, and so
they didn't stop.
She got there. Oh, this?
Oh, really? Really?
What it says is a couple of things. First of all, are you sitting down? Yes, you are. I am.
Red light run, red light run, red light run, and what the hell are you doing turning left? Yeah. Fuck you. You made my thing go off. There's only one lane here too, so you're an asshole.
On the health of certain pitches and whether or not they will get them back this year.
No stop.
And also the endurance of other pitchers. But they still.
They kind of sort of rolled it.
When they have to. But.
Finally thought about this, if it makes sense. Like, where'd you learn how to whisper? In a helicopter factory? You know, and the idea was that
exit dive.
Helicopters, and they're all on.
Sound bites. They're about a minute long.
Yeah.
And so they share them with people, and so that's and I suspect that is one of those mediums that was very useful for that particular shareability. So check it out.
No stop. Pedumstring, pedum dum. Yeah, hi. Yeah, you're going on YouTube. Good job. Yeah. Just get the fuck across the street. Stop being friendly. No stop.